Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dyson AM09 fan and you're getting an H2 error and you're wondering what's going on and how to fix it. So a couple things. First of all, the H2 error is an overheating error. So the fan is trying to operate and it's getting too hot, and that is generally going to be caused because the air is not flowing freely through it. Now, there's a lot of videos and articles about how to deal with this online, and a lot of them will talk about opening it up and taking it apart and stuff like that, which is something you can get into if you want, but beware that if you do that, you're going to end up voiding the warranty on your fan because it didn't break, you broke it, is basically going to be what the story is going to be. But there is, so what this video is going to show you is one thing you can do to try to get rid of this error without voiding the warranty, because you're not going to open up anything, you're not going to do anything like that. All we're going to do is, if you see this red error, there's that crevice where the air flows through there, and it's going to go all around the fan. And what you're going to want to do is take compressed air or something like that. You can, from a compressor, or even like from one of those cans that you can buy that you can use sometimes to clean a keyboard or whatever, and you want to do the whole perimeter of that, blow it in there, and you should be able to blow dust out of there. And if you can get that all cleaned out, you should be able to improve the airflow through the fan, and then it won't be overheating. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.